Hey you guys, this is Nathan back with another video. Just wanted to share with you guys a quick thing that I learned in PhotoScape X the other day. So I was over here in the viewer and I was looking through some different things, and I noticed that if you go over to videos, PhotoScape X does have a video player. So what you can do is you can just click on a video, then it will open up in PhotoScape X a playback of that video where you can watch the video through. Now, it might not be perfect or whatever, but it still will be working and it still will be functional. So that's kind of nice and helpful, but actually there are some ways you can use this to your advantage. So let's say, like I was doing in a recent video where I was reviewing a product, saying, hey, here's a screen recording of my phone using the app that comes along with this product. So I click over here and I'm like, whoa, you're able to hit play. You're able to see what happens in this recording. So we've got that and you're like, perfect. Hey, that's a perfect screen grab. I could take that and put it into my thumbnail for the video or to use it in the video in a different way. So what you can do is in this player, there's some different tools. You can right click, you can play back in different speeds, which is great. Audio track, if you care about the audio there. Frame is kind of where a lot of the stuff is going to happen. So you can go previous frame or next frame to go back and forward if you just want to get that exact perfect spot. And what's neat is they even have hotkeys here, which is your comma and then your period to go back and forth just a frame by frame. What's neat is you're also able to hit copy to clipboard, which is great because you can copy it to clipboard and then paste it into another part in PhotoScape X, which means you could paste it into the editor, into the cutout, into the batch, the collage, combine, the create GIF, even the print. You could really copy to clipboard and put it almost anywhere. Or you can hit save and you could save that screen shot right there, that part of the video, and just save it out as a photo, JPEG or PNG or however. It isn't gonna, do anything super crazy, but you're able to do a perfect screen grab in PhotoScape X, and I thought that was pretty interesting. If you hit these three dots down here at the bottom, it's just the same panel down here. But yeah, you can right click on here. There's a rotate. So if for some reason you wanted to rotate it, you can. If you accidentally recorded it and it recorded in the wrong orientation, you could check it that way. Then you can do show info, which goes through just a little bit of information about how that, the name, the size, duration, frame rate, dimensions, and the codec used here for the video. So I think it's an interesting thing that I have never used in PhotoScape before, but you learn something new every day. Nonetheless, I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.